James Hara's back, so let's get straight into it. What do you have for us today, James?
Aurora's latest monthly market summary is now available for the NEM. And jumping straight into it, let's start with wholesale prices. So these averaged between $78 and $123 per megawatt hour this month, with New South Wales really leading the pack. Prices were pretty stable compared to April, but again, in New South Wales, that's where we saw the largest difference, with an 18% increase in prices. And this was mostly driven by 3 days where wholesale prices spiked above $250 for the day. And that was generally because of things like interconnector constraints or transmission outages.
Got it. What about the generation mix?
We saw utility scale and rooftop solar come down by about 15 to 20% this month, which makes sense as we head into winter. This does have an impact on things like negative prices. So those are averaging about 7 to 8% of the time in New South Wales and Queensland, whereas for Victoria and SA, about 17 to 20% of trading intervals are clearing at negative levels. Now, on average, this is coming down, especially compared to things like spring of last year, because we're now heading into the time of year with reduced solar output and rising demand due to the colder temperatures.
Anything else?
Couple of interesting things on the battery front this month. So in Queensland, we had 2 days on the 13th and the 28th where lower contingency prices averaged $300. And as a result, Queensland batteries made about half of their revenue this month from lower contingency FCAS. In New South Wales, we're continuing to see a wide range of outcomes for the different batteries, with some performing 8 times better on a dollar per nameplate basis than other batteries. This is a very big topic, and it's one we're going to dive a lot more into in our upcoming subscriber group meetings, which we're holding across Brisbane, Sydney, and Melbourne at the end of June.
Thanks again, James. So the full report's out, and you can download it from our website, EOS, or social media. And if you have any questions, reach out.